Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjati online classes. Class 10 English prose the first flight that seventh number lesson, that is Glimpses of India's part 2 at the Korg, and from that lesson I am going to teach you today. So students, previous my class I had told you about Glimpses of India is not total view, that is partial view of India. India has 28 states and different types of culture, different types of lifestyle, different types of religion, different types of dress, language, etc. So, if you visit different places, you can find different types of lifestyles. Yeah. So this is one of the part of the place I am going to tell you in this call. And this call is coffee country, is famous for coffee. I know coffee and tea. This is very special item for eating. So, and for its rainforest and spices, this area is famous. Yeah, you know South India and especially this area is famous for spices, masala, and good rainforest and good hilly area. That's why this place is very important for. And very important place. Let's discuss here. Midway between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Mysore and one side Mangalore. So midway is dono beach. Yeah, middle of the two town. One is Mysore and the other is Mangalore. This coastal town means the town is very corner of the seashore. Okay. Sits a piece of heaven that must have drafted from the kingdom of God. Yeah, piece of heaven. The heaven is a very happy place, very peaceful place, very beautiful place. Yeah, that is called heaven. So piece of heaven that must have drafted from means have been carried along gently by air. Very sweet air, beautiful place. It is in India and from the kingdom of God. मतलब स्वर्ग से आया है, बेहतरीन जगह है, very excellent place. That's why this is the heaven of India. And don't you guys just like say Kashmir is the paradise of India. Okay, Kashmir भारत का स्वर्ग है. So in the same way, South India, this area, the writers say the heaven, place of heaven, piece of heaven. Really, why the writer mentioned them? Extraordinary and beautiful landscape and beautiful outlook. It's okay. This land of rolling hills. Whatever means rolling, not circling hills. जो घूमता हुआ जो पहाड़ है, yeah, is inhabited by the proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Yeah, their people. Martial man means the man who have having to do with war. Yeah, means वो लड़ाकू लोग, वो मतलब they have the fighting class. They know how to fight. Yes, and their women are very looking excellent looking, beautiful. Yeah, उनके महिलाएं जो सुंदर हैं, and wild creatures, lots of animals. Three things are mentioned, and because of that, this area is famous for. It's okay. Korg. Another name of Korg is Kodagu. Kodagu. K-O-D-A-G. Kodagu, another name of Korg. Okay. The smallest district of Karnataka. Karnataka is India's very western part of India. And this part up near Kerala and Karnataka, this area is called Karnataka. And one of the smallest district, smallest district of Karnataka is home to evergreen forest in Korg area. क्या है? Evergreen forest means the forest where always leaves are not carried away, sufficient water and green, full of plant, full of green leaves. That's why that is called evergreen forest. Okay, evergreen forest cover 30% of this district. You know, more forest means very beautiful spot, beautiful landscape. And in this area, too much forest area. It's okay. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. Yeah, monsoon season full of rain, and because of full of rain, very few people they dare to go to this type of place during the monsoons. That's why it's pours around to keep many visitors away. Means many visitors doesn't like to come in the monsoon season, yeah, rainy season. Okay, the season of joy immenses from September and continue till March. After rainy season, this area landscape and area is more excellent, more beautiful. Yeah, season of joy commences means begins. इस एरिया का सुंदरता after rainy season, this is beauty of this season increases. Okay, from September to continue till March. Yeah, March is the time of spring season. From autumn, then winter, then spring. These are the beautiful season of this area. Yeah, the weather is perfect in this time. अच्छा मौसम भी अच्छा रहता है. With some showers through in for good measure. Shower, do you know shower with a very sprinkling water, not high heavy rain, but little rain. That is shower. Okay, throw in it for measure. The air breeze of invigorating coffee. The air breeze of invigorating is fresh coffee. The air breeze for coffee plantation. It must be the good atmosphere, good air, good water facility. All the things together, the plantation may be successful. Okay, so this place is suitable for coffee production. Okay, so coffee estates and colonial bungalows. Do you know estates means the area of coffee where coffee is planted. Yeah, properties. And colonial bungalow. You know, colonial once upon a time India is ruled by Britishers. They had their buildings, temporary buildings. That is called colonial bungalows. Stand topped under tree. Topped means mark under tree. Marked under tree. Canopy. Tree canopy. Canopy is a roof like covering that forms shelters. First is canopy. मतलब shelter ऐसा नहीं मतलब रहना कि साल take rest, that type of place. Canopy in prime corners. Prime means best corner. We can see, take rest, the beautiful spot. As Britishers also came and made their bangla in this area. And I hope if you enjoy visiting, of suppose you are free from this coronavirus, I suggest you sometimes people go to the South India, North India, just like Kashmir. You also once go to visit this Korg area. Yeah. Let's see. The fiercely independent people of Korg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. The fiercely independent. You know, fiercely independent people means violently or aggressive manner. Those who got their freedom or their freedom by power, freedom their force. People of Korg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Yes, and maybe they are descended from Arab and Greek. Greek and Arab means not from India. They are outsiders. The writer mentions here that they may be from outsiders. They have come because of any disturbances. Writer mentions here the fiercely independent people of Korg are possibly Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army. Did Alexander conquer India? And you know history of Alexander. Alexander's army moved south along the coast. कुछ एक उनका जो सेना साउथ को भी एंटर किया था, and settled here when returned back impractical. Settled here means they did not leave their place; they stayed there. When return became impractical means उनको लौटना it is not possible. That's why some of the persons they give you that these Alexanders, that one of the troop, one of army force, they stayed there, and maybe they are Greek people. This is their descendants. Yeah. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial tradition. जो उन लोग आए, the Greek people, Alexanders, they settled in this area. They married to the Indian girls, local means Indian women, and they uh, brought their own culture. People married among us, the locals means the Indian culture, okay, people, and their culture is apparent. Apparent means plain in the martial tradition, और उनका जो tradition, what type of martial means just fighting culture, and marriage and religious rites which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream and Hindu way of marriage, Hindu way of wearing dress, Hindu way of any treatment, but something different. So writer says here that they are not Hindu and they are from outsiders, and their every activity by seeing that we know that they are from outside. Okay. Let's see the theory of Arab origin. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas. How we know this? They are from either Greek or Arabs. Not Greek but Arab. अरबों का जो ड्रेस पहनने का जो स्टाइल है कैसे पहनते हैं, लेट्स सी द थ्योरी ऑफ अरब ओरिजिन, मतलब अरब से वो लोग आए हैं, कैसे जानते हैं? ड्रॉ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द लॉन्ग ब्लैक कोट, लंबा सा काला कोट कहते हैं, विद एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड वेस्ट बेल्ट, एम्ब्रॉयडर मतलब डिजाइन, मैनी फैशन डिजाइन, ओके, वेस्ट बेल्ट बोन, बेल्ट पूरे डिजाइन से रहता है, बाय द काड़ावर्स, उनका ड्रेस कोड से आप जान सकते हैं कि दे आर फ्रॉम अरब कंट्रीज, ओके, नोन एज कुपिया, उनका जो ड्रेस कोड क्या है? कुपिया, क्लियर? इट रिजेंबल्स द कुफिया worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Yes, student. Do you know the Arab and Kurd people, the way they wear the dress, just similar, just looks like, resembles me, just same look like what Arab countries people. So, student, so we can say that they are as same as these Arabs from Arabs and Kurds. So, writer mentions here they are like that. You understand? Now, next, Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of value related to their sons and fathers. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Yeah, hospitality means treatment, good treatment. They have a good treatment to the others, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales. Recount number tales means they tell the previous tales of valor. उन लोग अपने जो पुरखाओं की कहानी को बताते हैं. Stories of courage and bravery. Yeah, tales of valor. Yeah, recount means once again they remember and see. Yeah, to their sons and fathers. Yeah, Pidhidhar, my father tells the sons, and in this way the story goes on. Yeah, they remember. As we know our India, we remember our freedom fighters. Yeah, maybe after 100 years also, we will not forget. Because it is every generation we are telling. Maybe in the same way they are telling, okay? The Kurd regiment, the Kurd regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. And the first chief of the Indian army, General Kariappa, was a Kurdi. Let's see. The Kurd regiment is one of the most decorated in Indian army. Hello? So in Indian army, they are licensed, they have given chance to do the work. Okay? And the first chief of, and that's the Kurd regiment means force, is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. And the first chief of the Indian army, General Kariappa, one of the person Kariappa from Kurd, this person, is a great person of India. Was the Kurdi, okay? उनमें से one of the army, Indian chief of the Indian army, okay? He was from Kurdi. So even now, Kudavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without license. Firearms mean weapons, maybe the pistol, or maybe any weapon, maybe sword, and etc. without any permission also. Like they have the license to carry these things. Okay, so how they big person they are. The river Kaveri, now it is Karnataka, which river? Let's see, the river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kuru. Yeah. So, the river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kuru. So, the river gets water from what? Hills and forest. And Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. एक मछली फेमस मछली का नाम ऐसा क्या है? महासी. और किस है? Mahasi. One of the fish is famous in this area. In this river Kaveri, it is found, and that there are good type of eating. Okay, kingfishers dive. You know, kingfisher one of the bird for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten food for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. These are the nature animals. They enjoy it. Imagine vitamins. First bird fly to catch the fish. First point. Squirrel and langur drop partially eaten fruit. पेड़ में चढ़ के आधा खा के फेंकते हैं सब को. Partially eaten fruit from for the mischief of enjoying the flash and the ripple effect. Ripple effect means spreading result in the clear water. They throw that half-eaten fruit or things, and it is spreading through. Okay, maybe flying, flowing, and going, and maybe water is filled by the fruits. Okay, so elephants enjoy being bathed and sobbed in the river by their mouths. Now, another point the writer mentions about the animals enjoy being bathed. मतलब जानवर elephant baths, yeah, you know, हाथी भी नहाते हैं, और not only that, Slops means rocks, रगड़ना. In the river by their mouth, उसका जो मालिक है mouth, उसको हाथी बच्चे से साफ सुथरा करता है. These are the works activity are done in this area. Okay. Now, the most land-backed individuals become converts to the life of high energy, adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. Yes, student. And one of the points let's discuss here. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventures. Do you know this area filled with high energy adventure means high risky tricks, risky activities they do in this area. Let's discuss here. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting. The river rafting means by the some law, rafting is a river in a raft. Raft means floating platform made by typing plums together. कुछ लकड़ी को बांध के उसमें मतलब जैसे कि बोट जैसे उसको तैरना है, पानी में घूमना है. The river rafting. Canoeing is the traveling in a river in a canoe. Canoe means a large boat. Rafting is the not boat but the logs of wood tied and threw on the water. Canoeing is the large boat. Rappelling, going down a cliff by sliding down the rope. Rope से नीचे नीचे उतरना. So these are the risky activity. These are called high energy adventure. Climbing and the mountain. Climbing, rock climbing and mountain. पहाड़ को चढ़ना. And mountain biking. पहाड़ों में गाड़ी बाइक चलाना. These are all risky activities. And they are the stunt. They show their talent and their skill in this platform. Okay. Numerous walking trails. Walking trails means paths created by walking. मतलब चलने का रास्ता बनाते हैं. They like to walk, yeah, on the long journey in this region are a favorite with trekkers. Trekkers means a person who makes a long journey on foot. They are called trekkers. They make a long journey, favorite journey, and they had a long journey, yeah, walking journey, yeah, and very interesting to enjoy all this activity, this program in this area, this paragraph we discussed, and I hope you understood all. Next paragraph we shall discuss about birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. Nature lovers, those who love nature, here given birds, bees, butterfly. Those who love nature, they can enjoy, admire the beauty of nature. They can relax their mind and they can make a fun with this creature. Okay, there's a macaque, one of the bird, Malabar squirrels, one of those like squirrel. Then langurs, one of the monkey type, and slender lories. These are animals. Keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. Yeah, tree canopy. Canopy, the roof like covering in this tree. There they sit, and these type of animals they gaze, they look, and they make too much noise. Yeah, it's very interesting. Those who go to this area, they can love these creatures, they love this nature, love the all animals, and they can enjoy their beauty of life. Okay, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. I writer. Yeah, I do. However, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. Do you know wild elephants? Step aside means I have to go out from. Step aside means I take step. I don't ready to go because sometimes they are very curious. May attack you, may dangerous. Okay. So in this point, last paragraph we discussed the climb to the Brahmagiri hills. What hills is here in this area? Brahmagiri hills. Let's see. Hills name is Brahmagiri hills. Brings you into a panoramic view. Panoramic view means a view of a wide area of land. पूरा लंबा दृश्य पहाड़ के ऊपर चढ़ के आप देखोगे पूरी एरिया, पूरी महफिल, पूरी जो जगह है अच्छे से नजर आएगा. Panoramic view, the entire full total misty landscape. Misty is foggy. And I just said that from September to March. September to March. These are the times to enjoy this type of place and very beautiful. Winter time, this is start the September to March. This is the time of winter. And foggy means full of fog and full of icy particles. Landscape of Korg, very interesting to see. And those who love this beautiful nature, they like to go and enjoy it. A walk across the rope bridge. Leads to the 64 acres island of Nasargadham. Yeah, once again, a walk across the rope bridge. रस्सी से बनाया गया ब्रिज में जाना. देखिए, leads to the 64 feet island. Island size is 64 acres. इतना बड़ा एकड़ में island जो है, और Nasargadham. So it is a rope bridge there. In this way, you have to go to visit and enjoy. It is a risky journey. Okay. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlements at nearby Bailakuppe is a bonus. Yeah. Running into Buddhist monks. Do you know Buddhist monks? Buddhist religion, they spread to Tibetan area, and from there they came to India also. Running into the Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlements. Yeah, in Tibetan settlements, from Tibet they came to this area, and nearby Bailakuppe. Yeah, Bailakuppe is the place they have the Tibetan settlements, and there we can find what? Let's see, the bonus. Bonus means you have to get the benefit of this place, extra income. Okay, the monks in this area Let's see. What do you see? The monks, the priest or religious leader in red, लाल कलर का ड्रेस पहनते हैं. Ochre means earthy pigment varying from light yellow to brown or red. या जो मिट्टी का कलर है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा लाल, थोड़ा थोड़ा येलो, थोड़ा थोड़ा हरा, पीला, नीला इस टाइप का मिलाने से येलो, रेड एंड ब्राउन को मिलाने से जो कलर आता है जैसे मिट्टी कलर, ऐसा ड्रेस पहन रहते हैं. यस. एंड येलो robes, either red, ochre or yellow robes. This type of dresses they like to wear are amongst many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. Yeah, do you know heart and soul? Do you know heart and soul is the center point? And without heart and soul, your body is meaningless. Your body is meaningless without heart. Heart is the very top part. And if anybody say India is proud, it means it. Definitely think about this place. As in the very beginning, I told you this is a place of heaven. Heaven is the very happiest place, and it is brought from heaven by the King of God to this earth. Okay, it is put like that right here in Cobbs. So, student, in this chapter, let me conclude that this chapter of the second part of India. As first part is Becker from Goa, he discussed. And if you forget the lesson, you need reading book. First read the book and listen the speech of the teacher. And both the things if you follow. Suppose any sentence, any paragraph, you are not clear, you should read. You can watch our video, read and you can save your time. First read and any doubt, you can see that area also you can meditate. Then we are ready to solve your any doubt, anything else. So student, this part, second part, we discuss the core. Either they are from Greek or from Arabs, and we have their dress code, their warrior-like character, their business, their love of the items, and their animal and creatures, and beautiful sport. Very briefly, the writer mentioned here. I hope the chapter needs more care and more seriously to read and thoroughly if you go and revise again and again. And I hope that whatever the question arises, you can face and you can write well. So student, so you have to read more and more and understand the chapter. And I hope you this lesson will be more successful. And we shall continue next part number 3T from Assam in the next period. This is the third number part. We shall also continue in the next period. So till then, you have a good day and study well. See you once again in our next class. So, okay, have a good day and good time. Study well. Okay, bye bye.